Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and if you are a iPad or a iPhone user, well, head on to your devices. They have to be quite recent, iPhone 7 or later. You have access to iOS 13. The iOS 13 is the latest operating system for Apple devices. It was stated to be released today, and it is now, today, September 19th, 2019. And it has some new features, including a system-wide dark theme now enabled. You also have a better battery life, apparently, on most devices. As with all operating systems, of course, it's going to be interesting to see the rollout and if people have problems with it. But the latest version of the operating system is now available to your devices. So how do you do that? You simply go to your iPhone or iPad, simply go into the settings and check out for updates. And you should see that iOS 13 will be there, and it's going to ask you if you want to download and install this on your system. Typically takes quite a few minutes to do, so wait until you have the time to leave your phone alone for at least 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes before it actually will restart. So check it out. iPhones and iPads have iOS 13 available today. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.